But it's a lesson to all the woman out there. We sit down with man in a baby mother life for umpteen years. No, get up and brush yourself up. And your little sanity, your little youth, your little humanity where you have live, treasure it. A lot of us waste times with men we don't really mean we no good. A lot of us, what we want from him, he's not giving. And from you not get what you want from a man, walk away. Like some of the foreign girl, them we say, you know name crutches, so I'm not investing in you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as it relates to Bolt and the engagement, this is something I talk about on my fridge top, before my fridge top, all along. You see, a lot of persons, me hear some people have come out and they talk about, say, some girl bad mind, you see, them a talk about Bolt and the engagement. The girls, them don't bad mind. It's just that the woman has to them fall through another young girl. And if most of these females that speak up, most of these young girls wouldn't be going through certain stuff like this. And listen to this. Some of the women are going to always do with man and with pension are going to be babies. Some of us ladies are going to always do with man and give man with all. And all our pension is going to be life journey and babies. Let me tell you the truth. You see, a lot of you guys not looking at the fact that Usain Bolt are 40. You understand me? And you go propose to a girl where you do with over 13 years. When you don't give her heartache, pain and sorrow. Me no need no man to test my tenacity. Me no need no man to test how determined me be and how long me can hold on upon them. Let me say this to you ladies. You see, if a man don't want you from the get-go, let him go before he cut short. I'm pretty sure that Usain Bolt could have given this lady a lot of opportunities long before. Some of we always are going to be housewife for man we have money. Some of us always are going to be housewife for men with money. You hear? Me not ask no question. And a lot of you people like to sit down and talk this and talk that and talk all sort of something. She and Usain Bolt there from before him belly get big, from him belly flat, from him have him abs, now him have a one pack. You understand me? And I think this is embarrassing. I don't call this love. I don't call this not me, just call this give me my medication when I'm old. What you mean suppose them they want kids to partake in the wedding? You don't need no picnic after you not plan no marriage with no picnic. Then if me I forgot have kids to partake in the wedding, make me walk down the aisle with a belly. We'll get the baby pictures. You're going to the picnic you're going to remember. You're going to the picnic you're going to know. You're going like it's important to the child. It's important to you. It's not important to the child. When they like come up with justification for when man abuse and use and refuse. One man, a shaggy is that the girl could have done a lot more. A lot more with herself. Sometimes it is good to walk away what seemed to be success. Sometimes it is good, it is best. You never know. I don't think a man needs to sit down for 13 years to make up his mind. Don't make up your mind for me. I will talk some things out of my mouth. And that enough of una girl settle for less. That's why enough of una long-term baby mother. You keep saying Casey alright. You can't tell Casey say she alright. You can't tell Casey say she alright. Me and you not married, it simply means saying nothing in my name. You never see that yet. You never see that yet. No for we don't know if prenup are going to sign. You never see that yet. I tell you this every day. No for no useless. No for no useless. No for no going to be long-term baby mother. No for no going to be long-term baby mother. What opportunity Casey have? Eh? What opportunity Casey get? Casey wastes the whole our youth with Usain Bolt. All our youth. All of her youth. Those are days and years where she cannot get back. And it's not a marriage, it's an engagement. So after 13 years you're going to engage me. Come on, somebody. Una girl a real idiot girl. Una girl with the panda app a real idiot girl. Una real menke. Una real menke. Me na ask no. Una real menke. It's not a marriage, it's an engagement. After 13 years you engage me. 13 years and 3 pick me, you decide to engage me now. A una broke man bad and then walk and complain. Engage me in your prime. Engage me in your prime. So that if you really love me, make me partake in the hype where you claim to say you have. Don't engage me after your hype. So when you found a girl sit down and attack, it's just an engagement. It not have to work. Oh, you mean him never engage because him know him never loyal? Once he never loyal from morning, you're not loyal when the evening, and Usain Bolt is not a Christian at the end of the night. So we are talk about, what we are trying to say? Eh? Him never engage because him never loyal and waste 13 years of the child's life? Come on, somebody. Come on, somebody. This makes sense? I wanna have a big hole underneath, you know? I wanna have a big hole underneath, you know? When you could have use it and better off on yourself, wanna make man do. So when I go swing and talk, say, that makes sense when I talk? Someone a born for ton man floor cloth. Him just never ready. That is fine. That is so fine. Him just never ready. So you go wait for a man to be ready. Girl go make use of your hole. That's why man drag on all over the globe. Go make use of yourself. You see, you're defending the man for not being ready, while the ladies sit down there and gain all sort of bullshit because the man not ready. So you wait for a man for mature. Oh, come on the careless. And you will say that you're careless. You're a careless girl. Yeah, you will say that something that say never ready. You're careless. And I say that without fear or favor. A boy can't breathe me 3 times and never ready. Me ready. You're careless. No for una woman, man for using, man for start shitting on a hole. A lot of you females, man for dooding on a pum pum. No for una dog shit. Now sit down on a boy and wait for him for mature. I will never do that. I will never do that. Me now go sit down and wait for a boy for mature. That is not my. Go to your mom. Go to your mother. No, Vivek, don't tell me behave myself because it's the truth. A lot of these females like to come out and cry, say man abuse them. A lot of females come out and talk, say man a batty man. After umpteen years. A lot of females like to come out and cry, say that boy are worthless. After umpteen years. We're tired to hear them shit there. And them a look pity. And no, we're going to support. This is not a surprise. This is an engagement. Him could have do it in his bed. He could have done it in his bed. You never know that. Sometimes not everything will happen publicly have meaning. He could have done it in his bed. You never know, after 13 years, genuine love not come in a crowd. She should have wear the ring and everybody has see it. And the word that go round. After 13 years, you're going to engage me. After you name out and dig out the whole of my youth. Now, after 13 years, you're going to go down for a year and tell me about engagement. Come on. That could have done in the living room. Then you could have gone into the bathroom and the ring drop like the soap and I take it up and see if it fit me. A lot of females settle for less. A lot of females settle for less only to come back and blame the man. And for hear some of the female upon, he wasn't mature. Usain Bolt never mature. Usain Bolt never mature. So when he's 40, he mature. Oh, I see. After the man gone with your youth, and a lot of baby mothers this happened to. Let me tell you something about growing up in the ghetto. A whole heap of boy take young girl, pretty girl, and they with them and breed them, and the girl take them image. The girl walk with them poverty. The girl walk with them disgrace. And you see when time the man reaching them 2,000 and she reaching her 1,000, you hear say him gone off, gone married to somebody else. All she do as a long-term baby mother that. And only woman out there see it. But when it comes to certain men and certain people, wanna like to run along with it. That's why I mean I listen to enough of one upon the app. Cause enough of una girl forget bullet bath. Me not ask no enough of una girl forget shit in no hole. Man for just open on the crutches and do it in no belly. For sure, one is a disgrace. One is a disgrace. Can me can't believe say enough of una girl sit down and a chat shit. When man a 40 my engage me, so when him a 80 man married me. If you see him but let's still have him hype out a road, him wouldn't engage it. No, it's true. Him wouldn't engage it. So if him engaged to me when him a 40 or when him a 80, me can't look for here. As we walk down the aisle together. Hey, me now wait upon that. As somebody would have to hold him up at the altar. Make it make sense. And una like to pattern people and see things and talk about this is good. Not realizing that una curse for una existence. A tree picnic she give me now. 13 years and tree picnic. Come the man. From the first picnic. Number one is a boy supposed to look for me and say, you know, say I'm a wife. So I know by a man in me I buy it all they were ringing at the sandwich. My teeth nearly break. They might encourage a little girl to accept something that she wouldn't. At 13 years of her life that gone, you know. Gone and can't get back. Remember the streets know about him little behavior. The streets know about him and him strip clubs. The streets know about him. And you and I don't want our man go no strip club. You and I don't want hear a man named Carl pan other girl. You and I don't want hear enough things about a man. So why would we encourage this? It now make headline because it's long overdue. It makes no sense. That is why I said it could be done in the public, because this not shock. This not shock, it not take no waves. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Who cares about them? Nobody don't care about them because everybody knows a case an idiot for him. And that's just it. That's just it. When you should have make headline, you never do it. It's never necessary to me. See, there's somebody say them things say they married already. There is no surprise. That me tell people say it was never a surprise. Number one, it was more of a disgust to me than a surprise. It's a kiss teeth engagement that, because number one, you always hear rumor about him out the road. You always hear rumor about him at strip club. You always hear rumor about him and other people. And you have a nice looking girl at home. What could cause it to be outside? I'm telling you this, sometimes when the road refuse man find woman as them wife. You never know. Sometimes when the street refuse people, and it's just the truth. She never surprised. She never surprised. So me I wonder if it's a prank. She wasn't surprised. She wasn't giving that. You know, like, oh my God, I've been waiting all my life for this moment to arrive. And finally, no shock, not never did it. Not never did it. Not even she herself surprised. So come on, why should the streets be? Why should she be? But it's a lesson to all of you women out there. We sit down with man in a baby mother life for umpteen years. No, get up and brush yourself up. And your little sanity, your little youth, your little humanity where you have live, treasure it. A lot of us waste times with men we don't really mean we're not good. A lot of us, what we want from him, he's not giving. And from you not get what you want from a man, walk away. Like some of the foreign girls, them will say, you know, name crutches, so I'm not investing in you. Walk away. It best you walk away from early than late. Stop make man tell you about and say about my wife this. You can't call me your wife when there's not a ring on it. You cannot do that. Females don't stand up for nothing. That's why them lay down for anything. I'm tired to tell you now, a lot of us females make man use words and capture us. I must share pressure in feet. Me no want no boy will tell me say, yo, me so. You so, it's not like we're broke. It's not like we're broke. It's not like we can't elope either. It's just the truth. Yeah, baby mother for eternity till the man decide for dead. And at this hour it shouldn't even be engagement. It should have been straight altar. So when really I say, and I honestly I want to applaud this, I cannot applaud this. Me can't applaud this. Me telling you say some people like safe package, some people like a girl we are fool for them. You have that girl in your corner. You have that girl in your corner. Yeah. If a boy not willing to share him hype with me, don't dig out my hole. Don't go like say you want breed me. No. When he did have the hype and he did out the road and everybody in the world did want him, that's the time he should have proposed to you, make you say, I'm a one girl man, yeah. And that's just the truth. A boy is supposed to can bring it in them space if them really love you. If this is about me and you show me. Of course, Legion, them should have celebrate 13 years of marriage. You know how nice that would have look? You know how nice that would look? He needed a loyal nurse now. Enough women have got through this. Enough women are baby mother. Long-term baby mother. A lot of ladies are long-term baby mother. You give a man, say for instance, you and a boy there. At 3 years now, me and him there now. So what go on? Oh, you see me discover? Eh? Oh, you see me? At 3 years now. Oh, you see me? You not ask your man them something there? What you mean now, me see you? Me start pack. No, it's true. It's just the truth. But these are the reasons why men do all of uno woman some, because guess what? Uno support all of these things because it is happening to somebody who uno believes say them have their money, so them can do this, so them can do that, so uno work with it. But what about your man? You sit down with him and you ask him say, at 3 years me you didn't know me also couple when I married that keep anniversary. 3 years me and you didn't know. And we are celebrating 3 years anniversary. We wanna celebrate, go suck your mother, go suck out your mother. We wanna celebrate companionship. We wanna celebrate 3 years of fornication. The Bible says marriage is honorable and the bed is undefiled. Eh? You and the boy don't have no intention, he's just a baby mother. You have to celebrate 3 years worth of bereavement. Yeah, our anniversary. And you not have no ring fire. The boy would have never get no anniversary. Number one, I not even remember when me and you there. I not even remember, but I know say me and you there in 1997. I don't remember when me and you there for sure. I start check out on my finger 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so much years gone. I don't want my name called upon one man alone. From me see me and you gone 1 year, you not indicate. Number one, from me the 5 months, you know say my wife this, you know. And 1 year passed and I don't hear you say nothing like, hey girl, me done married you, you know. Alright, then I give you 1.5 years in my life. And I hear that just die out. I start give you that pum pum here, you know. You have competition in my hole, so I hope you can keep up. And you're the only one when I see you go run with your asthma pump. Yeah. No, it's true, sister Winnie. You there with man. You say our granny and our mama. Remember some man treat them. Them time the marriage did hard and things did dear. Remember them did that for the barter system. You understand me? Give you one dress and you get 2 pounds of rice. Remember Jamaica used to run on the barter system. Do your history. And for see things so easy now. Things so easy. You have your family, them a foreign, you can buy your teen shoes, say all 5 bills send down. No man, make them put that on the ring money. It better your family buy the ring and me and you walk go down the altar. Make me you walk go down the aisle with your family them money. Yeah. You mad? Me I give you the crutches there. That's why me not blame the foreign people. Them as them find them one and them both are married. You understand me? And a divorce in a jiffy. Me can't blame the foreign people them as them find somebody them papa marriage and papa divorce. It better you work so. You're not there with me and tell me say you're not ready. Me not ready either. Me not even ready to be your own only. You think a joke? So if I even your best friend my eyes. Yeah. After my crutches, me never drop out of my mother with my pum pum for you. You're bright here. You're bright if you want this ring my clits. Ring the alarm. I'm telling you son. Ring the alarm. Yeah. See there? Somebody said 3 years no kids and them get the ring. Then what do me? Every evening, me know where you wear, me know how your poop smell, me know how your shit look, me know when you're sick, me know what's your favorite meal, me know your cologne scent, me know everything about you. And still no ring. Go on, Mr. D. You want to run the road, me want to run the road too. Yeah, and the whole of we are spit up the road. Tuh. You mad? The whole of we are spit up the road. You must be mad. Me know a boy there with girl in her for all long in her filing come through and they would not even marry the girl for put her up on the filing. The boy gone a foreign. The boy gone a foreign. And the only thing the boy can send for him picnic them. Excuse me, and leg up on my shoulder. Me see it happen too much time. Too many times. At the end of the day, they gonna tell you say they want one successful girl. Go on a man burger. And leave the Subaru walk on my baby. Yeah. They want one successful girl. They want one you never know some have no ambition when you dig out my hole. You never know some have no ambition. Over 8 years, me you little in every day, you never want still me say me have no ambition. As a matter of fact, you never want my work. Cause you hold up the tax system like you're a loader man. It's true. Me see it over and over. You there with a boy, mother they are foreign. And you there with him for all 8 years and Pitney get involved all 2, 3. And at 8 years you are quick breed. And the boy filing come through and him don't marry you and put you upon it. Anywhere the money for come from for buy the ring where I buy it. And we not have to married with no ring either. The ring round our heart. Cause we love each other. No legion is true. No time to waste, simply bliss. You mad? What you said to me? And then people are still gonna justify. After me name on a dolly or something, I stop playing with dolly long time. Number one, me not even like Barbie because she cuter than me. Every boy want a nice foreign girl. I want one hot girl, you know. From your file in a country, your baby mother annoying. My son left that girl lane, she annoying, you see man. Then you never know that. I saw my son when you're holding my hole. I saw my son when you 8 veins stand up in my clit. And like it a play violin. Yeah, I saw it sound. Now sit down, let me know say, me can't have my man them, but you are my rightful man. No, me not do them some the people. Me not run my body so. Me not run my body so at all. Not run my body so. When a woman love sit down with man too long, it better a boy give you a bun and a ring. It better a boy give you a bun and a ring. It better your husband bun you. God believe me. It better your husband bun you. At least you can sit down and say, one time him did want me, he married me. One time him did want me. And you know why I say so? Because no power girl there with man long and all we want to feel comfortable and complete is a ring. Am I lying? It better a boy bun me under a ring, man. It better me know some my husband I give me bun and the argument done than my baby father I give me bun. Eh? No, tell me the truth that my baby father I give me bun. When me hang on pan and you can walk, leave me and the kids them anytime. Cause since bun is inevitable in a someone's life, let us talk about this. It better you bun me when me and you don't talk to the pastor. I will take church feet because remember I'm married. I will find my counseling in a church. You understand me? It best you do that. That me really slung yourself with like Casey. 13 years a baker's dozen that. Number 13 is a baker's dozen. And you know bun is inevitable. When she not get bun, she get bread. When she take the bread, she get biscuits. And then them something we settle for. Because baby father not supposed to walk and give baby mother bun for umpteen years. You walk, leave him and the kids, or you carry the kids by your back like Mama Scorpion. Make the boy knock down your lover glass and crack it. Make him use all broomstick and juke in your side in your sleep on the bed. Yeah. Make him push it through the louver glass and just say, hey girl, can my pitney them come? Yeah. Gone are the days when baby mother when common law at 2 times case a common law. 2.5 times to be exact, she a common law. Will I never say that? Michael Manley never say if you deal with a man 5 years, you a common law. Oh. So she run lap round that. And no for us, she says a young girl that wasted her time. She wasted 13 years of her life. Unknown if a better man out there who's serious as a wife. But sometimes we hang on to some man because at them we find, yeah. At them first. We hang on to some man. Yeah. It's just the truth. A lot of females waste them time, but at least you pick up your absence. You know when to cut the bow. You know when to cut the bow. You know when to cut the bow. It's true. So I'm going to sit down and support other females going through all of this when you know so you go through it with a baby daddy already. Eh? And guess what? Sometimes you are breed for the man over and over when you hear from the start the man have all 2 picnic out there already. 2 picnic out there. You and a girl out there did that breed one time. How you work out that? And the ring that on your finger, it better wife and baby mother breed. It better wife and sweetheart breed. Me always say, since some we have to be fool for man, make we be some intelligent idiot for man. Yeah man, we can be some intelligent idiot for man. So if you not put no ring on my finger now, my youth me a cut, come and I give you 5 years. Me not like the common law thing. Me's a capital law. Me not like the common law. Me not ask you, if best my husband give me bun and the ring, me can live good with that. Make every time me give him bun, me feel guilty. Him not have to feel guilty, I will feel guilty for him. But no waste on yourself. No waste on yourself and no applaud and appreciate most of these things that is happening on the internet and no call it love. Just like when I have Rosalie I try trick when say she a handsome gunman there, know she come up with another story so she a breed. Like Rosalie can breed after she dash with all big man, all some boy where graduate, some 17-year-old belly Rosalie dash. Go on here. When sit down and waste on time as females and then you know what? Man not have stress in her, una alone have the stress. A phone breast long and una look depressed. A phone ear start fall out. You understand me? A phone weight fluctuate. You understand them something is true. Because you're not getting from the man that you want and you waste so many time of your life and guess what? It's hard to cut the knot when you lay down with a man long. Hard to cut the ties. So you're hoping for him to change, for him to change, for him to change. Not realizing that you hoping for him to change, you're losing pieces of yourself. You're losing pieces of yourself. No, me not talk your business in my pretty baby. Me not talk your business, but it's just the truth. We sit and throw a boy breed way. You know me I stay with him for the kids. And you're losing pieces of yourself on a daily. You can't get back what you waste, you know. You can't get back the years them, you know. You can't get them back. A man will know say him have a good woman in him yard and him go there with a flappers. Him go there with a flappers for true. Him get a bun with a flappers. A man now go bun you with a successful girl. Him always go bun you with a girl well lower than you. Come now man. Him always go bun you with a girl well lower than you. And these are the times you're wasting with a man. These are the times. Because if someone will talk about we meet them with shame. What do you think when you meet a boy, him show you the first side? The first side good, you see Nadine? Nadine, the first side, nice. What do you mean? Why me think so those simple bliss? Why me think a boy always born you with a lower girl? Trust me, simple bliss. It's a lower girl. Because let me say this to you, simple bliss. You see, when you love a man, you give him your all. Sorry, about all. You give him your all, right? You see the next girl out there? Him a take him all a give she. Always remember why your man not coming in. Or your mate did that give him fair all. Him wouldn't there with her. But because you are giving him your all, him have you under wraps. You never know that? Yeah. And him have to try give that girl there. Him all. Anytime you're there with a man, and let me tell you this, you see, every time you're there with a man, and you don't see him stop staying inside the house on a regular, always know say bun in your camp. You see, anytime you deal with a man and you realize say him have to touch road all certain hours, bun in your camp. Him and him brethren them no reason unless him a suck him for an old. So either way, if your mate is not a woman, she's going to be a man. Always remember, we as women, we know when woman argue about the sparks gone from out of the relationship. It coming like starlight. You light it once and it pop up sun and it just fade. And it's just the truth. Always remember that. Put this in on the pipe and smoke it. Once the sparks gone, it cannot come back. Unless sickness take the man. And you know say you're the best bedside nurse. It's just the truth. Let me say this to you. Now if the woman have more money than you, it's always him treating her better than how him treat you. Because him take your treatment and carry go get she. A man like a girl who don't care about him. That's why enough of we mate gays. Enough of we mate gays. Them now call him honey. How you do ya? What you mean when me do ya? Me no come look for ya. I them weird there. You never know. But when you pull the door now, you depend. Hey on, babe. The boy mature long time. There is no babe on him. The boy mature long time. Babe, you alone call him babe. Your man, you know, let me tell you something, Mr. Funa man, they will know definitely say the girl with them a bun on the way don't want him, you know, but him want she. And the mere fact that she don't want him is a turn on for him. You never know that. It's a turn on for him because the competition is there. But every time him can find you in the house at 6 o'clock, food ready by 5:30, and you have it in the oven and warm it up. That's why your gas done regular. That's why your gas done regular. And him depend, yo babes, give me a glass of water. And at the time they might text all your mate. Babes, show some juice. Get up and go show juice yourself. If I'm day every day at work, get up with your stinking wood. Remember you have to wash off your wood before I suck it. You can't in a house and take care of a kid and you did it with your, and you just come in for my mate and you come and talk about babes. Show some juice seminar. I want piss in the glass and get you take it as beer. Call it Bud Light or Corona, call Red Stripe not to you so. You mad? You mad? No, it's just the truth. A man will know say my give you a bun and him just a come from your mate yard and come in the house come beg you take off all him shoes. Some man or woman go pan this go like don't know me I talk about, you know. A man will sit down in the settee and tell you say, shoot some water for me now. Yo, shoot my dinner for me now. And you not have no ring. You not have no ring. And when you're there my mate yard, you stretch for things. You stretch for things, you get up and go do that. And she depend, baby, you could buy KFC for me. And you say you want KFC, and you gladly drive out, go buy it. Hey, me crying on a stinking face, you know. Oh. Number one for my boy, you look me, you know, serious. I camp this year, the 2-year soldier. 2-year soldier, the same way me can stretch for this. Cause when time I want shit, me now ask if I borrow my body and go do it for me. You mad? On Saturday, I can't even get him up out the house. I'm busy I wash and then me have to go clean and then me have to go cook, go suck your mama. Go suck your mother. So everything me for to go empty the garbage. Go wash up the plate them. Go take the meat out of the fridge and put it for tar. And when it done time, why you cut it up. Me not teach you how to slice things. Me not teach you how to do them something unapologetic, big up yourself. Me not teach you how to do things. You know on Saturday you have to go play ball with the boys. Go suck your mama and score the goal in her. You brighty. You not put no ring on my finger. Me just a treat boy like husband and the baby mother title. Come eat me from back way. Come eat me in my sleep. Me asleep, you use the teeth and tear off the mesh underneath me. Come tear, and if you can't tear it off, suck my hole through the drawers and call it strain. Strain my pum pum. Yeah? You will cough less. You think a joke? Me ain't run them joke. There's sometimes when you come in a bowl of where I eat, them time them don't eat and wash up plate me early after me no bun weed. After me no bun weed, Tashana, after me no bun weed. Me eat from early. Me I work for my belly. Me eat from early. No, it's true, Sister Winnie. Some of them dog out girl only for go up and go find other woman. You think a joke? As you reach up, I get the first phone call and then me can't get the second phone call. Eh? Because girl take up your time and you not tell the girl say you have a good old girl out here, you know. You got flabber in a something big. Bigger than when me I walk with. No, it's true. And you have a girl over foreign. Every winter you have to name her crutches because you don't want to stay so in the cold. So every winter you have to strain pum pum through drawers and you never suck my hole till my blood come. You have to eat me. Eat me like a tigers or a Bigfoot. Yeah? You have to eat me because enough of the boy them a got foreign got name crutches like dog. Yeah, you that think say them tongue a tampon. Enough girl know what me I talk about. Enough girl know what me I talk about for sure. You have to eat my crutches. If I even shift the spliff and when me done underneath me smell like grabber or kush. Yeah? You have to slip it man and suck me till me dry. Make me push your head from underneath me. Make me say wait now, make me crab it on your forehead. Because me I take your head from underneath me. Yeah? Enough of them go on top of. You never know say your baby father eat crutches yet because him never name you from your band. Yeah, but you might get little opportunity now. Him did a slurp and a swallow like a ice as the man name. You have to go eat me, suck all my big toe, name off the acrylic off of my toe. Yeah? You must be mad, you know want me then. No mate now get the best of my man while me waste my life with him. No mate. What you mean? No mate, you have to eat me. Eat me, make me crawl upon the wall and I'm a spider. What you say? What you say? All you see enough of them little dirty boy up on the internet. I talk about, oh, no girl can grounds me out. Eh? You mad? Me make sure me a grounds you, me a raw wire. Me a raw wire. And you're a motor technician or electrician. Command, I need this. Command, I need this. Yeah? It better my baby father stretch out my clit than him got foreign gun and them white chicks. And when you see some stay bad girl with them and them too, enough boy upon the upper look opportunity because them willing for name crutches abroad. Them willing to eat pum pum abroad. Well, eat it locally. We call this deli. And if a deli you don't know about, eat the corner shop. Eat the corner shop. Yeah? Me not ask you. Your baby father never eat it yet. All him dip on the gate from back way, side way, front way, and underneath the toilet. Nyam up this. Nyam up this. Yeah? Yeah, because he might look green cat, so him dip on. Because you never know your baby father mouth so flexible. It should have their Olympic or the gymnastic. You never know so your baby father mouth flexible though until the white girl tell you. Or the Hispanic girl. You never know though. I eat upon my. I wish dirty people they may send my request. Yeah. Eat where you go and grow, where you eat for true. I hears me a day. A 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pick me you give me. That's why I don't say enough of them boy you could never look me. You're mad and your mouth not cute. Your mouth fit for make stay free. Your mouth not cute. It's just the truth. Your mouth not pretty. Then you have to about, oh, me not do them something that no girl can bring that to me, but you want your hood suck. Go suck your mother, make your sister eat your balls. Make your sister drop your balls in her throat like a tea bag. Yeah, if your sister not available, ask your mother. No, it's just the truth. Me tired to see baby father, this baby mother, after how much years, you had this the girl, and the girl sit down with you. Eh? All the police all empire she walk with shake pan. She and police are argue, the girl not even respect authority, she know say you're a criminal. Only for you say your dirty mama file for your worrying sister. And you know what married me after 3 pick me and put me up on the filing? I lie you tell. Married me, put a ring on the front where the back where in my throat. And now rub up my throat like Zoe and get where you're brighty. That's why no boy can come to me and say, yo, look how long me are you there, me not even not drive. Me not even not get a jerk pan with wheels because I know you have no ambition. Not even a jerk pan with a wheel me I give you. Gone are the days. Remember in our mother days, our mother sit down with your father, our granny sit down with grandfather. Eh? And when grandfather old, you see the two of them in a rocking chair, I rub them gum with crackers. And at night time, them make we know about caffeine, because them not stop drink coffee. Eh? You remember them days there? When granny have to wait for an everlasting for grandfather to pay mind. And when you hear us take a start, you have how much siblings out there, how much grandparents. Miranda Coke want, you have how much things out there. Eh? When land for shear, you say outside, pick me and come in. Me not run them joke with me, me too cute. Me too cute for a boy spoil me up with years. Me too cute. A boy can't come off of the road and beg me water. But you just don't play ball with your friend them and you're paying up. Go suck your mama. Go suck your mother. Oh. But pass a bottle of water for me out of the fridge now. Get up and go feet if they kickball all night with the boys. Get up and go for it. You gotta respect say when you just come in. Me need you now, so me I gotta lay down in a bed and read magazine. If I even hard copy, me I gotta lay down in a bed and read magazine. Enough girl me see, enough little girl me see come from all the Chinese man working with them have to draw down shutter cause them don't serve Bigfoot and Tigers, tea biscuit, Shirley biscuit and duplex. You know, and them have to come in, come wash and take care of baby, pick up all baby from creature and man the home. Man the woman you have to carry Pinnacle daycare. Man the woman you have to, your baby father no work and you have to find a daycare for your baby and the boy the taxi stand and wait for you for walk with you come down the road and that's love. Go suck your mother the liquid me lick you see with Mr. Chin order. And you have to come in, come wash and the boy say we are cook tonight. And we can slaver that. When me a cook tonight, me eat at work. No, it's true, forever blessed. And them a go like them don't know say I saw it run. It's true. It's wickedness. It's wickedness. And them something we normalize. It's wickedness. Me no love man more than me. I come see my mother share food in a one plate and meat in a one plate for man and she can't get no ring all now. And then me forget up now and wash all man clothes. Whitlow don't fit me, Miranda. Whitlow don't fit me because I have to do my nails so I can't scrubs. I have to do my nails. After a boy not hotter than me. And you want to dress up every day with a special in your hand and a split by your lip and walk out a gate away you count traffic. I never know say you're into license plates. I know me see up in your ghetto rain a fall and your baby father out the road. Rain a fall and your baby father and him friend them out the road. Rain a fall, come keep your finger in my pum pum if your body can't stand up. Come rub down my front, all when it bushy. Come use the tail comb and part and shiny bum. You brighty? Come do something in the house with me, come lay down, make me and you watch a show, called a commercial. Make me and you watch it. Yeah. Come lay down in the house, make me and you watch something. Treat me like a lady. Oh, you mean Celine? Your mother? And that me say I'm negative over and over. Roxanne, the boy, rain a fall and baby mother in a house. I hush baby, I try put baby to sleep. I like go smell how daddy smell. Smell if you smell my mate pan daddy. Put the baby on your chest. Your mother, I know say me have work a morning. We not waste the rain here. We not wasting this rain. Come. Put your hand in my pum pum, play guitar. In my pum pum, if you point at tired, use the rest of finger them. Ching dong 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 ding dong da 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 da. Thumb me now, yeah. Do something. Where you have me a suffer? No, Sister Winnie, it's true. Me have 4 minutes sleep. I can't wait for the time down. Yeah, till about 13. After 13 years of proposal me get with 3 baby. Me no run them joke them I love. And other man could have out there see me. I could have one hand-cat man or a taxi man or a security guard. Somebody who work at Burger King tasty mothers or juicy beef. Yeah. At least I know say the boy dey on the clock. Him too tired for give my bone. Him would have a sex on her back. Yeah, I'm workplace. You mad? You mad after 13 years? A proposal? No run them joke there with me because me juke in your eye. And if me can't get your eye, me juke in your nose, make you have shorter breath. Just see it for the entire night you sleep through your mouth. You just have breathe through your mouth like Pops YG. Me no run them joke them I love. Them girls are too careless. Them girls love man more than how them love themselves. Me glad me learn the day when to love me. Me glad me learn the day when to love me. Me love me more. Oh. Boy, I'll see you with your bag. I check your bag, boy. You don't have no silver in your bag. I want to buy one split. Wanna see my purse? Yeah, I them dirty something there on. Yeah, I them something there on. You don't love me, you know. You not buy me nothing. You don't love me. Me not love you. I love you just as how you love me. Come eat out my back. Mr. Chin now let you over now. When you come rub that thing there in my mouth, you know. And I know some catches you attack me. I feel think about for go home, go bed before you see me. And me and you live together. Eh? You know run down my crutches, you know see me out the road and I tear off my drawers. And I say, yo babes, you know long me I wait for you. You know do me them little cushy something there. One man, sir. Tell you sex me come like a pardon you pardon me or you have sorry for me. And you say a long time I no go up in your belly, you know. Hello? Then who for belly they go up in but me I hold it man. You not hold nothing because you can't even hold a job. Then how you go hold your urge? And I them something we sit down with. My man, him love me, you say. Come, me have 1 minute leave. Come out for this because me I speak for some girl, you know. Now come out for this, yeah. You can't even hold a job or you hold your urge. Go suck your mother and make me give you a cocoa with a cooking spoon. Yeah? Me don't want them joke the people. No. 1 minute me I believe I'll catch you guys in the morning. Tomorrow I mix up Monday. Here 1 minute. Class earlier morning. You talk some girl business, it's true. And them know say I true me attack. Them know say I true and enough of them guilty. Them know say I true. Well anyways, me I take the taxi now. I can't find my purse, me I have to go get the taxi man something. 8 a.m. sharp. Go on man. My love when you hear stay blessed and keep sweet. Live, laugh and love. Put that before everything and everyone. My love when I take the taxi, I know the last taxi this I go up on the hill. Watch the raccoon share come. A 2 raccoon, hey come here. You care your family them come. That one didn't know me, you know, him run gone. All the raccoon are happy up themselves and we say, love you guys, love you too my babies. Love when you hear a little more. Big up on yourself.